Okay,
Chloe?
this is for Gabby.
Look carefully. Where does that piece go, Chloe? Chloe? 22 months old. Doing big puzzles for big girls. Good girl, Chloe. She did most of this one. Puzzle is for 3 and up. Got it to work, Chloe. Yay, you finished it! Who's on the puzzle, Chloe? The Gruffalo's child. You like it? And the mouse, yes. The triumphant joy dance when she finishes a puzzle. Good girl, Chloe.
Dreams that you dream of once in love. Goodbye.